Hey friends, it's Trisha here. Today I'm taking you into the living room here at Freedom Hill and I'm going to go through a couple of drawers, organize them, clean them out, the whole 9 yards. So come along. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and help me clean out these drawers. All right? From cassette tapes to cameras that no longer work, this is a mess. These two drawers are kind of catch-alls for basically everything that comes through the house. So I'm going to sort through all this and rearrange the drawers. I'm going to clean the drawers. They're full of dust and crumbs, I guess. I don't know. Stay tuned. And now I'm done. I'll have to look at the clock and see how long that took me. But let's look at each drawer. This is much better. In the front I have these little faux candles, and there's one real candle right over here. And basically this drawer is all writing. I have lots of pencils, have some chalk. I tested all the pens and markers, threw away the ones that didn't work. I have some remotes for candles there, and just different items I need. Scissors, that's the cord to my Kindle. Yeah. So this is much more workable. I will not be emptying these drawers to move. I'll just wrap them in, what do they call that? Glad press and seal. And that works really well to move because it doesn't damage the furniture. Now let's look at the second drawer. I do want to get a couple of small organizers for this one because there are things just laying there. But I put like items together. I do keep a hairbrush downstairs and a little bit of hairspray. My big thing of paper clips. A few like manuals and registry things. Some Christmas notepads. A toy for the grandkids and car chargers. So yeah, I want to get a couple. I might have a couple small organizers that I can use in this drawer. I'll check. And if I find them and put them in today, I'll show you that. But in the meantime, thanks for coming along on this little cleaning journey. I feel good about these drawers now and feel more ready to move. There has been progress, but I'm not yet at liberty to say. We kind of sort of have an offer on the house, but it's a lowball offer. So we're waiting to see what our agent can do. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. There's one bag of garbage. There's Jenny. She rarely ever shows up on camera. I did end up finding a couple of shallow organizers, so I did use them in this drawer. These drawers do not pull out like all the way. They're just made that way, so they're kind of shallow depth. But I wanted to show you the final product on this drawer. This one, I'm so happy with this, but I did want a couple of shallow organizers for this one, so I actually found some that have not been packed up. So yay, the final product. Thank you again.